Hello Year 9, welcome to a session on exercise 701, one part of the work for this week. And variables on both sides means that we do what we says here. Equations with variables on both sides perform, and that should be reverse operation, the opposite, on both sides to move variables to one side, and I'm going to go variables on the left, although it doesn't really matter. But I'm just going to keep it the same for consistency. Go variables on the left and numbers on the right. Okay. Hey, let's have a look at here. What we've got here. I've done question 1 and 3. I've got two examples that are in exercise question 1 and one from question 3. So let's have a look how we do it. Perform reverse operation to move variables on one side. So I'm going to move this variable to the left. And the way we do that is by doing the reverse, minus 2w. That's the reverse of plus 2w. That makes that all cancelled and just left on this side. Once that's cancelled now to 21. Plus 21 or 21. And then we're going to do the minus 2w over here as well. Otherwise it's no longer equal. So 5w minus 2w is 3w. And the plus 3 stays. See, the minus 2w doesn't impact on 3, but it does on the 5w. Okay, next step. Numbers to the right. So we're going to take that minus 3 away by doing the reverse of, plus 3 away by doing minus 3. That will cancel that. So what we're left on this side now is just 3w. The plus 3 is cancelled out. And then we minus 3 to the 21 as well. 21 minus 3 is 18. And now we've got one more step to take the 3w to just w. And the way we do that, that's 3 times w. So the reverse of times is divide. Divide by 3 on both sides. That leaves you with w on this side. 3w divided by 3 is w, which is what we want. Let's do the same on the other side. 18 divided by 3 is 6. There's our answer. Now with every one of these, this is what I expect you to have in your book. The question, 3-step solution. Okay. Question part L. Yep. So variable over this side, going to move it over here by doing the reverse. Minus 11 reverse is plus 11 x. That's the reverse. That means then that the variable on this side disappears and we're just left with minus 15. Plus 11x to there. Well, the 10 stays. Minus 6x plus 11x. That's minus 6 plus 11 is plus 5. Minus 6 plus 11, yep, plus 5. Good. Now numbers from the left to the right. So we're going to do the reverse of 10, which is minus 10. Minus 10 will cancel that one out, and we're left on this side with just, we don't need to put the plus, it's 5x equals minus 15 minus 10. Minus 15 minus 10 is minus 25. Okay, then 5x is 5 times x. The reverse of 5 times x is divide by 5. That becomes x. Divide by 5 here. Minus 25 divided by 5 is minus 5. And there is what appears in your book. Okay. Question 3, very similar stuff. And I'll just do the last question. Variable minus 6k goes over here by doing the reverse plus 6k. When you do that, this side, since that's now cancelled, is left with 15. The 25 is not impacted by the plus 6k, so that stays. Minus 12k plus 6k. Minus 12 plus 6, that's minus 6. Okay. Okay. Numbers over here. So plus 25, reverse is minus 25. And that means we're left with, that's cancelled, so we're left with minus 6k equals 15 minus 25 is minus 10. And then minus 6k, we've got to simplify and divide again. Divide by minus 6. That leaves you with just k. And then minus 10 divided by minus 6. A minus divided by minus is a plus. 10 divided by 6. Yep, minus divided by minus is a plus. 10 over 6. Which all can simplify to 5 over 3. Or 1 2/3. That's it. Thanks very much, everyone.